Hello guys, this is Joyce again. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Recently, a new explosive product has been added to the laser application market. It is a handheld laser welding machine. Since 2018, we've often seen laser welding machines at exhibitions. It has been recognized by its market for its many advantages, such as high efficiency, short training time, environmental protection, and less consumables. So, can it make money to buy a handheld laser welding machine? Joyce is chatting with you today. Now, the order demand for handheld laser welding machines is very strong. In some applications, the handheld laser welding machines can help the customers to reduce the cost of making parts, because the materials that they use cannot be processed by traditional ways. Handheld laser weld is currently mainly used in sheet industry, cabinet industry. For instance, distribution box, water tank, stainless door, and window grill. It is used to process complex and irregular weldings that do not need rotaries. Compared with traditional argon arc welding and electric welding processes, handheld laser welding saves about 80% to 90% of electric energy than argon arc welding. The welding speed of thin stainless steel plates, iron plates, aluminum plates, and other metal materials is high, and the welding quality is good. Processing can greatly reduce the labor cost of polishing and leveling processes, so there is a strong potential to replace traditional processes. In addition, the handheld laser welding machines can clean the surface before and after welding, further reducing costs and improving productivity. It can solve the problem shortage of qualified welders and high labor costs, because the training process of laser welding machines only takes a few hours. Even the unprofessional welders can operate it very easily. Although the handheld laser welding machines have many advantages, but the primary problem is the price. At present, the price of the laser welding machines is several times than that of a traditional welding machine. It is the main obstacle to the high initial investment cost to the machine welding market. Of course, as the market gradually increases and the price of a fiber lasers is decreasing, the price of a handheld laser welding machine is growing better and better. So, if you want to make money with a fiber handheld laser welding machine, you'd better choose a cost-effective one. If you want to know how to choose a fiber laser welding machine that suits you, you can leave your message in the comment area. Joyce will explain it to you in my next video. If this video is helpful to you, kindly give me a like. If you want to watch more laser contents, welcome to leave your messages, and also welcome to subscribe our channel and open the little bell next to it. Joyce will update video every week. So, see you next time. Bye bye.